Alright, so the weather is finally warm enough that we can take the top off the Bronco and go possibly doorless, probably not just yet, until she gets comfortable with the being topless. So let's get the top off. It's pretty straightforward. So you've got, looks like 6 bolts that you got to take off. I don't know how well, yeah, you can see them all right. You got 3 on each side. Actually, it looks like 4 on each side, and then up here you got 1 more. So you got 1 on each side over here. So you take this first one here off, 1 over there. The 6 or 8 on the inside, and it just lifts up and out. Tools you need are in your toolkit. All right, let's get this top off. So another thing here is you have a clip for your rear wiper and things. Defrost. Pulls down. And it just snaps in right here. Nice little storage area. Washer fluid, same thing. Little button you push. Goes around. There it goes. So I'll get these bolts out and then we'll get to lifting the top off. Alright, so this is our first
That got
look
my heart rate up.
first look at the Bronco without the top. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so now on to what this video is all about, which is putting the sunshade on there.
If you're all are wondering what that sound is, not me. Meet Oliver. This is soon to be Jeremy's garage cat, Oliver. Meet Oliver. Isn't he cute? And that's our daughter, Kinsey. With it. All right, back to this. Stop worrying about the cat.
So we're going to put this up on there now and then get the T-hooks set into place. Actually, before I do that, we're going to put the brackets in here to where we can put the spreader bar on there. He's playing with the helicopters.
He's cute.
Reuse the bolts that you took out to take the hard top off. And I feel like what's going to have to happen is we're going to have to put the bar in there and then put the other bracket on the other side. So stay on this side. And just know that you can leave this on with your hard top on. So once you do this the first time, you don't have to worry about doing it again. So there's a wrong way to put it on there, just because of angles. Hands don't want to work. All right. Yep. So it's going to go through the little J hook here, your little strap there, and then there's buckles that grab there. One is going to grab right there. Probably should have did that first because that keeps it held up for you. You've got straps here. This cinch everything down, plus magnets. So we'll move over to the other side. A little hole right here that you'll run your little strap down through. It's where your footman loop goes for your hardtop. And then we'll do it again over on that side because I did not do it over there. And then we'll go to the back. So there's a small lip here. These are little, I think what they're called J hooks. So they'll snap in. This will pull tight. Okay. So take out the lower speaker bolt. Run this strap around. Mindful of your seatbelt. You don't want to go in front of it. So mindful of your seatbelt. And then it goes right in here. I don't know how well you can see that. At least that's what it says it's supposed to do, but it doesn't look like it fits. Well, that didn't work. Let's just see what it does. It says this is a 30-minute installation. 30 minutes I agree on if it is not your first one. The first time you install this, probably expect closer to 45 minutes. Which we're about done though. I really feel like that's wrong. It doesn't look right, does it?
It doesn't.
So I feel like something's not right here because I'm gonna lift this up. Like here's like a satellite piece, and all right. So I don't know where we left off at because the camera died. It got a little too hot. But let's get back up here. There's a hole here for something. I feel like it's for the something that's over here. So I'm not real sure about what's up with that. But you kind of get an idea what the top looks like now that I'm up here. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and hit this side like we did this one. And then we'll go around and kind of snug everything up, and I'll show you what it looks like with it all snugged up. So I probably should have put these on first, but there's a split in it that you can get. They'll definitely go in there. It just might take you a second. And we'll do it like this. It's a little bit better. Coming through here, went back, and then come back. So it's got 3 folds underneath that little flap there. So you'll do that for this one. So you do it for this one, these 4, and then the same two on the other side, and then it's done.
The garage cat just taking a nap.
So there it is. It is, well, not completely installed because I still got those little straps to do, but you get the point. It's not a terrible, oh, that was really close. It is not a terrible install. I just wouldn't wait till it's almost 90 degrees outside. It's about 86 degrees here in Indiana. I just wouldn't wait till the end to do it. Again, I don't like this front part.
Ow, why you bite me like that?
We'll see how it does tomorrow when she drives it to work. See if that flutters or anything like that. And as far as this goes, I will be getting a hold of Bestop and asking them questions about it, because to me that doesn't look right. So thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Maybe a little more Bronco content in the future, maybe not, we'll see. All depends on what she'll let me do on this thing. For one. Alright, so inside the Bronco, it kind of looks like this. I mean, it's a nice shade. And it's fairly snug. Again, I'm not entirely sure what the hell this is, the point of this is. But I don't know. I honestly don't know. But this will make a big difference. I had one in my Jeep and absolutely love it. Keeps the top of your head cool, and it actually keeps the inside of the cab cooler, much cooler than what you would think. So first impressions, I'm okay with it. There is definitely some things wrong with ours, like the instructions. How I was talking about all this being wrong and then the hole being on the wrong side. Every picture shows the hole on the driver's side. Hole on the driver's side. And I probably shouldn't have installed this. Hole on the driver's side. I probably shouldn't have installed this because of that, but I don't know. I don't think it's not hurting the integrity of it, but it definitely doesn't look good. So Bestop, what's up with that? I will be in contact.